Okay, today I wanted to show you how to replace a socket, a bad socket, in a Lollipop globe base. This usually has the big white globe. This is a new one, so I'll show it to you on here. What you want to do is take your bulb out. And again, this is just if you needed to replace the socket. You're going to pull the top off. You're going to disconnect your wires. Got your black hot wire, your white neutral, and your green ground. And then right here it's got two tabs. What you do is take a screwdriver and just lift the tab, and that allows you to pull the socket right out. Once you're ready with your new one, all you got to do is feed it down through here, feed the wires through, rotate it, press it into place, connect up your wiring, and you're good to go. That's how to replace the socket for a Lollipop globe base.